sharing the screen. Okay, so when our game was being created, correct? Okay. See our this
I can't hear you properly.
Okay. How is it now?
You sound very muffled.
Okay. Let me use computer. Okay. Okay. How is it now?
It's
Hello?
it's a little bit better.
Sarah?
Yeah, it's a little
Can you
bit
hear
better.
me?
Yeah,
How is
it's
it
a
now?
little bit better. It's a little bit better.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me? It's a little bit better.
Yes, Sarah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear
Yes,
me?
Sarah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you a little bit better.
Hello.
Yes. Oh, that's weird.
Hello. Sarah, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello. Yes, Sarah, can you hear me now? Is it
Yes, I can hear you.
is it better now?
Yeah, it's better. Yes. Can you hear
Yeah.
me?
Yeah. I can hear
Okay,
you.
good.
Yeah, okay. So uh, okay. So the VM is now created. Okay. So this is a server now. This is a server now. Okay. Now this server, okay, whenever you create a server, okay, VM, it will require access, okay, to it, okay, or it needs to access outside or inside, okay. So that is called that is done through what? IP address. Okay. So normally by default, your any application you create, application server, okay, VM instance, they will have two IP addresses. Okay, one is internal IP address. Okay, we'll be learning about this in after say 7-8 hours of lesson. Okay, then external IP. External IP means this IP is accessible in the internet. Okay, from the internet, I can ping it. Okay, I'll show it to you. If I do see okay, I go to command line and I ping this IP address. Copy it. Okay, and then if I say ping, okay, it's the IP address. See, I can ping it. Okay, it's working. That means this IP address is accessible through the internet. You can access from anywhere. Okay, so when you create a VM, you have two IP addresses, internal and external. Actually, this internal, this external IP address is actually mapped to this internal IP address. Okay, there you actually see, you can see NIC 0, right? NIC 0. This is network interface card 0. Here also you see NIC 0, correct? If they were two different, say, network cards, it would have been different name. Okay, it is same name. That means there is no different NIC for external IP. Actually, it is mapped to the internal IP. So that means from the internet, when we use this IP address, we are pointing to this 10.138.0.2. Okay. Now, you have a system here. Okay. But how do you go inside this system and work? Correct? when you see, when you are working in a company, you need access to the server, correct? Or your developers need to access it now. They need to go inside and do their work. So how they will do? They can just go from here, okay? Or you can just go from here. Just say SSH. So it will SSH to a new. It will open a new window where you can do your work in this particular VM. This VM, okay? What's the VM name? Store app 001. See, this is your machine. Now you are inside this machine. Okay. So now you can do whatever you want. Suppose I want to install HTTP. Okay. I can just say yum install HTTP minus y. Okay. So I'm installing HTTPD now. Actually, what you do for your responsibility will be like as an infrastructure, you'll be creating a VM and giving it to the your application team, and they all these things what they need to do. Okay. Now I will say systemctl start HTTP. Okay. Sudo. Okay. Frederick, no, you found HTTP. Start HTTP. It should be start no. I told you. Oh, sorry. Actually, see, there is. I did a mistake. Okay, it should be yum install HTTPD, not HTTP, not HTTP, HTTPD dot minus D minus Y. Okay, because see, it said here there was no package. See, now it's installing. Okay, so after installing, what I will do, I will just okay, I will start the service by saying start HTTPD. Okay, now I will just say I'll go to cd var okay www. This will all be known by application team. Okay, and over here I'll create index.html. Okay, in this file I'll just type okay h1 welcome to my site. Okay, right, plus h1. Okay, I'll just save it and come out. Yeah, sorry. Actually, I supposed to use sudo in front home because this I'm not working as a root user, so I need to use sudo in front. Later, like if you want to learn about this Linux commands, we can learn. Okay, my first site. Then save it. Okay, now it is saved. Now I will say this our HTTP restart. Okay, I need to restart because I made some changes to restart. Okay. Now if I go and check my, I can check my website from here. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is why it is coming like this because this is not HTTP. It is HTTP, not HTTPS. So this is, you will see here. See my first site. Okay. this is how we work in a VM instance. Okay, we create the VM instance. Okay, we SSH to the VM instance and do our work like creating a website. Okay, or creating a database. Anything can be done now. Okay, in your browser. Okay, in your VM, you can go and in your VM you can go. Now you are inside already, and you can do anything you want. Okay, here, this you can do anything you want. You can shut it down, whatever. Okay, now I'm just exiting from here. So so this is how you SSH it. Okay, and if you see here, you see so many information here. Okay, we don't want to go through that now. And if you go down here, you will see start, resume, stop, suspend, reset, delete. Okay, these three things. Okay, let's stop it. Okay, now when you stop, you see this IP address. Okay, this IP address will not be there. Okay, let's see. This is still stopping. Okay, so it's stopped now. See, this IP address is gone. You can see here. Okay, as because it is down, you cannot SSH also. Okay, this is disabled. Okay, now this particular IP address, if you start the system again, okay, see, start or resume, you will get the IP address again. Okay, but that IP address will be different IP address, not the same IP address. Okay, it will get a different IP address. That means this IP address of the VM instance is ephemeral. Ephemeral means every time you restart, it will go away, and a new one will be assigned. Okay, is that good for us? Is it good for us? No. Okay, because your IP address should not change actually. Okay, how to do that, how to make it not change, we'll do in another class. Okay, now here you see start, stop, suspend, reset. Okay, these are called life cycle. Okay, life cycle of the VM instance. You created one. Okay, now I'll just delete it. Why am I deleting? Any idea?
You don't need it anymore? Or?
Yes, I don't need anymore, and I don't want to pay. Okay, I don't want to incur extra cost. Okay, but in fact, when it is down, you are not charged. Okay, when you stop it and keep, you are not charged. But the storage, you saw it use 20 GB disk, right? That disk is still charged. Okay, so now I'm not charged to with anything. I have nothing here, so I'm not being charged. So this is actually how we create a server. That is a server in Google Cloud. Okay, so we'll end here today. Okay, and tomorrow we'll same time we'll start. We'll do it. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow same time.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you send me the recording, please?
Yes, sure. I'll do it. You just drop me your email. Actually, I will send you the URL of the YouTube video. It will be uploaded to YouTube, and you need to log in with your email ID to watch it. Okay.
Oh, okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Send me your email ID. Okay. Thank you.
I will. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Yep. Thank you.